Hello!
Hello!
And here we are on a rather dark Embsay Crag. Haven't got the torches out yet, but we shall do. There we are. So let's get a torch on so we can see what's going off. It's a little bit damp in places, but it's okay. I thought it was birds. There are holes in the sticks and the wind's whistling through them. I actually thought that was after you. We set off a tad earlier. We did wait until 5:30, nobody turned up, but we set off hoping to catch a sunset. But we were very disappointed with the result. So one torch is all we need at the moment. Whoop, a bit slippy there. Really taught everybody a few new words then. We've packed a couple of head torches, rechargeable ones. We've also packed 2 big torches, tactical torches. Not really. No, oh, whatever. And a big power bank as well, just in case we run out of juice. Very disappointing, that sunset. After you, Andrew, I'll follow you. You can be the star of the show. And she was never seen again. You'll not slip and fall off the edge. Yes, clanking all the way to the bottom as you fall, and whistling too. Can you see the ground okay? Okay. Down there, you can't see very well. It's starting to light up. Okay? Oh, is that what you call it? Taking in the view? Okay. Okay. We should have brought the jet oil, and we should have brought tea. We could have cooked it and had tea up here. Not a cup of tea, tea, food. And we could have just come home, not had to worry about cooking. Not far off the top here. Windier, isn't it? history here. I think, I'm not sure what's on this ground. It's almost like it's been burnt, isn't it? Cindery. Have to be careful coming down as well on the other side because you can slip on this stuff quite easily. Sadly not. I'll just show everyone Skipton again. In there. There's some views. It's not. Summit, isn't it? Thankfully, it's not far to go after it. Okay. Yeah. Obviously the wind's picked up, but that was inevitable. Just wait till I get to the top to talk about it. Stint, isn't it? Ladies first. There. Okay. Okay. You get some great views up here in the daytime. Well, you can see them, of course, the lights, but nonetheless, if you want to stop, a good place to stop would be around here because it'll cut the wind out. Yeah, this would be a good place to stop around this part. Remember, cuts the wind out a little bit. We're at the top. We're at the top. I'm trying to find somewhere to shelter from this bloody wind here. This might do it, Andrea. Now, one thing we didn't bring, apart from coffee, are mats to sit on. There we go. There we go. It's a nice little area to sit here. Great during the daytime. Anyway, we're at the top. Didn't take us too long. There are quite a few routes around here actually, aren't there? We're going to come down the shallower side because obviously...
Do you want this on?
It's fine, yeah, keep it on if you want to. It's safer coming down, especially in the dark. We have to avoid those muddy parts. We can also, there's another path down there which I saw when Trevor came up here. He went down a different path, but I'm not familiar with that path. So I'm going to give it a miss tonight, clearly.
In the dark.
It's not a good idea to explore in the dark, is it? Although I suppose that's what cavers do. So we're going to go down the other side. Further along as well, there's another route in which you can go along the side of a nice little... It's a stream, isn't it? And then there's kind of a waterfall. People go swimming in the summer. We have a video on it on YouTube somewhere. It's worth looking at. It's a nice little place. Yeah.
Nice to stop for a picnic.
Nice to stop for a picnic. Surprisingly warm this evening, isn't it? Surprisingly warm. Are you staying there? Do you not want to be seen? Oh, right, okay. Right. There she is. Yeah. Oh, shall we should have brought the emergency shelter. We could have sat down and had a cup of tea and everything. You're the coffee lover. It's your job. You're not exactly in the shop, but it doesn't matter. Set it back a little bit more. Falling over there. That's it. We'll set this back a little bit. There you go, bingo.
The headless woman.
You remind me of the lady Scooby-Doo where you could only ever see her legs. Not Scooby-Doo.
Tom and
Jerry.
Oh, thanks.
I didn't mean you look like it. You can only ever see the legs, can't you?
Big chunky.
Skipton. We've got the reservoir. And then over that end you've got Embsay Crag. This is the, when you get to the top you kind of head left to get down. And there's a path. Little path. It's not cold, it's just a bit windy. It's quite irritating after a while, isn't it, the wind? No. Okay, so this is a path coming down. You need to be careful here. So I'm coming around the side of the crag. Pardon? It's wetter? Yeah. This is why you might need a bigger torch to light up the ground to see what you're doing. Can you see the ground okay? Go slower, probably, just, you know, so you don't... Yeah, very funny. Sarcasm is alive and kicking, I see. Not quite as exciting coming down as it is going up, is it? So this is where we turn round and we go back round on ourselves along the side of the crag. It's like a little path that twists around the crag, and it's much easier on the knees when you come down. Well, we got down safe.
What?
I said we got down safe. Damn right, he's good. So here we are at the hole in the wall. Get us a 20 out, will you?
I think about 50 though.
Get us a 50, yeah.